Hi everyone, tania.kns here, and today I'm gonna show you how I do my baby hairs.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced.
So I'm gonna show you my baby hairs, which I already did a video on early on in my channel, and then today I really wanted to show you something where I do some detail baby hair, where like curly stuff and all kinds of details in my baby hairs. And to start, I'm gonna be using my Eco Stylo Gel, the transparent one, which is the one that holds for me the best. And then for my baby hair especially, I'm gonna be using a little bit of the Got To Be Ultra Glue for the baby hairs only, not for sleeking down my hair. And then if I feel like I need to, just to make sure that my baby hair stays on fleek for like 2-3 days, I'm gonna be using this Gorillas Knot in the purple shade. In this video, I will also use a little toothbrush comb, baby hair comb, as well as this comb, just to use the end here to help me take out my baby hairs, as well as a sleeking brush, just to make sure that I put my hair in the hairstyle that I want really sleek down. So first, what I like to do is just tie my hair to make sure that I can take out just my baby hairs. And so this is when I use this one. So the mirror is just here on my right, or on your left, I guess, but I'm gonna be looking on this side just because it's way easier for me to do them in the mirror than to do them in the camera. So when I hear baby hairs, at first you would think about the small little hair that are just in the front, that are like baby hair that never grows or whatever. But for me personally, what baby hair is just the first layer here of hair, which you can actually sleek down. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna do a little twist so I can tie my hair in the back already with some Eco Stylo Gel. And so what I like to do is just separate them a little bit into like the shape that I want to put them in.
Keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind.